Find the Cartesian equation of the curve defined by the parametric equations x is equal to t over t minus 1 and y is equal to t over t plus 1. So, sometimes it is, rather than just make t the subject of one, is make t the subject of both and then equate the two equations. So we're going to be easier to rearrange both equations to make t the subject. So we've got the first equation and the second equation. So from here we're going to multiply by t minus 1. So we've got x t minus 1 is equal to t. Expanding the bracket, we're going to get tx minus x is equal to t. Well, everything with t on one side and everything with x on the other. So we're going to get t minus x, we minus t and then add x. We're going to get tx minus t is equal to x. We're going to factorize out the t, so we're going to t brackets x minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore t will be equal to x over x minus 1. Similarly to this one, we've got y times t plus 1 is equal to t. Multiplying both sides by t plus 1. Expand the brackets, we get ty plus y is equal to t. I'm going to take this ty over here. We're going to get y is t minus ty. The only reason I took it over here is to make this remains positive. We're going to get y is t, common factor of t, 1 minus y, and therefore t will be y over 1 minus y. So now equating both expressions, so that will be equal to that. So we've got x over x minus 1 is equal to y over 1 minus y. So cross sort of multiply, we're going to have 1 x times 1 minus y is equal to y times x minus 1. Expanding the brackets, we're going to get x times minus xy is equal to xy minus y. If we collect the, going to make y the subject, so collect everything on y on one side, we're going to get that. So we're going to make y the subject, so we're going to take this over here, we're going to have x is equal to 2xy minus y, take out a common factor of y. So we're going to have x is equal to y times 2x minus 1. Therefore, y is x over 2x minus 1. So our Cartesian equation will be y is equal to 2 over 2x minus 1. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to eliminate the parameter of a parametric equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.